welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your set design business. So as a owner of a business, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and then whenever a user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So here, if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your set design business to automatically handle client inquiries, share your portfolio, and book consultation, all without manual effort. So here on my screen, you can see the chatbot that I've already created for my set design business. And now here we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing chatbot by using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here, before moving forward, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account, and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop the text as, "Hey, I want to know about your services." And here you can see the message that we have received that says, "Hi there, welcome to Vision Set Design. We bring creative visions to life. From film and TV sets to stage and event installations. To get started, may I have your full name, please?" So I'm going to give a random name over here. And it says, "Thanks, how can we assist you today?" And here you can see the 3 quick reply button we have received over here. So I'm going to select our services, and it says, "Here's what we offer at Visionscape." So this is the services, and here you can see the other quick reply button. So let's select request quote. It says, "Let's get started with your project. Please tell the few details." So here I'm going to select event, and it is asking for the budget range. So I'm going to give a random budget range, and it says, "Thanks, our team will review and get in touch soon." Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here, to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see Pabbly Chatflow's homepage, and here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here, to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and here let me tell you that I've already set up my Pabbly Chatflow account over here. So here, if you wish to learn step-by-step setup of your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. Alright, so let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number, and here you'll be able to see the 2 options, that are WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. So here, if you wish to use this particular method, then you can check out the video link in the description box below. And if you wish to select the Manual Token Connect, then it is going to ask for the Meta Access Token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp Business Account ID. So here, to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta. And once you're going to set up the account, automatically you're going to get all these details, and then you need to add the details over here, and then you need to click on this next, and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number. And now here, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available in the left sidebar. So here, if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here, by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queue. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members at one place, and also you can see the status of the chat assigned to each team member. Then comes the templates. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. By using this particular feature, you can create, send, and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flow. So by using this particular feature, you can create WhatsApp chatbots for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. By using this particular feature, you can create and an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So here you can see all your activities of your Pabbly Chatflow at one place. Then comes the settings, and here under settings you can see some more features as well. So here if you wish to learn about these features, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help. So here by using this particular option, you can get a response to all your doubts regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chatflow, and now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. And now here under this flow builder, you can see all the flows that I've created over here till now. So now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to create a new flow, and for that, I'm going to click on this add a flow button. And now here in this flow window, I'm going to give a name to my flow first, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your set design business. And now after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see that you can set up the trigger as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a message template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can set the keywords and the regex as well for your trigger. So here if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add a keyword like hey, that is a very basic keyword, and for that we are going to type the keyword first, and then we are going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. So now whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, I want to know about your services, while another might write, please tell me the price for the specific set. So now here instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next steps. So it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case-sensitive regex. So here it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so this was all about the flow start, and here I've set up my flow start. So now we are going to move forward with the connection. So once my customer is going to send any of the message on my WhatsApp chat, then automatically I want to send a new message to my customer, that is hello and welcome message with a question asking about the full name. So for that we are going to click on this action type notes, and from here I'm going to drag and drop this question message box, and here I'm going to enter the text as hi there, welcome to Visionscape Set Design. We bring creative visions to life from film and TV sets to stage and event installations. To get started, may I have your full name please? So this is the message, and here you can see it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here I've already created the contact custom field for the full name, and here if you wish to learn about this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. And now here let me tell you that how you can access the contact custom fields. So for that you need to click on the settings, and here you'll be able to see the option of contact custom fields. Alright, so here I'm going to select the contact custom field of full name that I've already created, and then I'm going to select the format for my field as text, and then here I'm going to enter the number of attempt as 1, and then here is asking me to enter the validation error message. So I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the validation error message, then you can do it as per your need. And with this we have successfully completed this question message box. So we are going to connect this flow start with this question message box, and now once my customer is going to reply with the full name, automatically I want to send another text message to my customer. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as thanks, how can we assist you today? And now after entering this text, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as our services, portfolio and contact team. Alright, so now after entering the text over here, we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now we are further going to build a WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. So let's start with our services. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as here's what we offer at Visionscape. These are the services, and here it says we craft immersive environments tailored to your story. And then I'm going to add some quick replies button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as portfolio, contact team and request code. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well, and for now we are going to leave all these quick reply blank. So let's move back to our main message box, and then we are going to add a text box for the another quick reply button, that is portfolio. And here I'm going to enter the text as want to see our past work, and this is the entire portfolio detail with a link. Alright, so we are going to add some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as our services, contact team and request code. So with this we have successfully completed this message box as well, and now here we are left with the last quick reply button, that is contact team. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as the contact details of our team over here, and now I'm going to add some quick replies button over here as well, where I'm going to enter the text as our services, portfolio and request code. Alright, so now after adding the quick reply button over here, we have successfully completed this message box as well. And now here we are going to move forward with these quick reply button. So here you can see these are the common quick reply button, but here we have a new unique quick reply button, that is request code. So for that we are going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, let's get started with your project, please tell us your few details so our design team can reach out with a tailored code. So it says type of project, and here I'm going to add some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to enter the choice for the customers such as film, event and retail. Alright, so now you have to adding the type of projects, we are going to move forward to another question, and for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and then I'm going to connect all these quick reply button to this text box, and here I'm going to enter the text as budget range. And now here I'm going to enter some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to add the choice as 30 to 40k, 50 to 60k and 80 to 90k. Alright, so now you have to adding the price options, we are going to move forward, and then we are going to add another text box over here, where we are going to add a small thank you message over here, and then we are going to connect all these quick reply button to this message box, and with this we are successfully done. Alright, so now we are going to connect all the remaining quick reply button to their respective message box. So here for the portfolio I'm going to connect to this message box, here for the contact team I'm going to connect it to this particular message box, and then I'm going to connect request code quick reply button to this message box. Alright, so again we are going to do the same, and with this we have successfully built a WhatsApp chatbot for our set design business. So this is a very simple and a short chatbot that we just right now created, and now after creating the chatbot we are going to save this flow first by clicking on the save button. And it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow. Alright, so now after creating the chatbot, let's go on our WhatsApp to see the working of this chatbot once again. So now here we are going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch, and again let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop the text as, hey, tell me about the pricing of your services. And here you can see we have received a similar WhatsApp message over here. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this chatbot. Now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have set up our flow start as regex, and then we have added a hello or a welcome message with a question that is asking about the full name, and then we have moved forward and added some quick reply button with the text as our services, portfolio and contact team, and then further we have set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created, and now here if you wish to learn about some more amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. Now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create many other chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.